And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
And now we're going to toss things over to Andrew Samet for a look at the forecast. Andrew?
All right, Corinne, another hot day in store for us across East Texas. Here's a look at Tyler with our Skyview camera. We are off to a sunny start out there. We saw some clouds earlier. They have since moved away from the city of Tyler. Right now, the temperature is 86 degrees, and we've got a southwest wind at 14 miles per hour with a dew point of 72. So it is a bit humid out there. We do have heat alerts in effect, an excessive heat warning for counties along and north of Interstate 20. South of there, heat advisories in effect. Again, in the excessive heat warnings counties in particular in the purple here, that is when the heat is just downright dangerous for pretty much all groups, not just the elderly and young children who are more susceptible to heat-related illnesses, but everybody needs to take those real precautions when it comes to heat for our day today, as the heat index climbs above 110 degrees this afternoon. And you can be living in the south and used to this heat you've been seeing for several years, but this kind of heat is something not to take lightly, as we are going to see it well above where we should be for this time of year. We also have red flag warnings in effect for the counties in the pink. That basically means that we have a increased risk of fire weather for us, and the reason for that is because we are going to see the winds relatively strong today. Temperatures right now are ranging from the upper 80s to the lower 90s. 91 in Mineola right now, 90 in Jacksonville and Nacogdoches. Tyler Pound is actually one of the coolest spots at 86, probably because of the clouds that moved through earlier. 93 the temperature in Sulphur Springs. Winds right now anywhere between 10 and 15 miles per hour for the most part, but we could see the wind sustained as high as 20 miles per hour at times. It's already getting close to there in Sulphur Springs with winds at 19 miles per hour. So the wind is going to be the biggest concern here in terms of our fire weather threat. And the reason for that, wind doesn't start fires, but any fires that start are spread much more rapidly if it is windy out there, which of course makes it harder to put out. But again, heat index also today climbs up to above 110. As high as around 112. We top out around 104 this afternoon. Heading into the overnight hours, we see those temperatures drop down to the upper 70s. We are very warm and breezy even through the overnight hours as well. So the fire weather threat will not end as the sun sets, because winds will still be out of the south at 20 miles per hour. So any fires that are not able to be put out during the day can continue into the overnight because of those higher winds. Taking a look at your high temperatures over the next 7 days, we are going to be well above the average of 95. Our only two cooler days are Thursday and Friday, and that's because rain chances do return. Again, we do have the burn ban still in effect for a good majority of our area, with the exception of Franklin County. But with those heightened fire weather concerns, I would not even do any outdoor burning in the Franklin County area as well. Just too dangerous out there. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We see a chance for some pop-up showers and storms for your Thursday and Friday, and then we are hot and dry overall for the next 7 days. For deep East Texas, it is more of the same. A chance for a few showers and storms on Thursday and Friday.